All hail JavaScript. First off, what exactly is JavaScript? It's not just about adding fancy effects to websites or creating interactive games. JavaScript is the language of the web. Learning JavaScript opens doors to a world of possibilities, from building your own websites and applications to exploring exciting career opportunities in tech. I'm about to present to you 3 reasons why you should learn JavaScript if you're looking to become a web developer. Whether you're interested in front-end development, where React might be your go-to framework for creating stunning user interfaces, or delving into back-end frameworks like Node.js for server-side scripting, or just Wallaby.js for testing, JavaScript's ecosystem is so vast and well-documented that it easily qualifies as any web developer's go-to programming language. High demand, great pay. Tech companies are constantly on the lookout for skilled JavaScript developers, especially the fast-growing TypeScript, which interestingly enough is a superset of JavaScript, since it's a statically typed programming language that transpiles into JavaScript code. So technically speaking, TypeScript can run in JavaScript environments. But I digress. TypeScript is meant for really large and complex applications and code bases respectively. And since if you're watching this, you're most likely a beginner developer like myself, let's get back to JavaScript. The demand for such skills is sky high, and so are the salaries. Mastering JavaScript from a logical point of view, therefore, is an investment in a really lucrative and diverse career path as a web developer. The JavaScript community is huge and vibrant. Angular.js, Vue.js, React.js, React Native, Node.js, Next.js, Nest.js, Nuxt.js, Helmet.js, Test.js, Svelte, Aurelia.js, Meteor.js, Polymer.js, Backbone.js, Ember.js. At this point, you should get a pattern. Anything with a .js is somewhat affiliated to JavaScript. And that is not all. You will find countless tutorials, forums, and online courses to help guide you along your learning journey. Due to a massive ecosystem, building complex web applications becomes a breeze. The language has constantly updated or has constantly been updated. The language has constantly been updated with new features and improvements, ensuring that you stay at the forefront of web development trends. Whether you are a student, a professional looking to upskill, or simply curious about the world of coding, web development specifically, JavaScript offers something for everyone. So, if you're new to programming in general, or you've tried your hands on a couple of projects, feel free to join me on this journey, and together, let's unlock the endless possibilities of the web. If you found this video useful, hit that like button. Subscribe for more if you're looking forward to seeing more videos like this and better. And remember, the only way to master programming is to actually start programming.